3, 4, 5 triangle, you also have all the other triangles that are in relationship proportional with that. In other words, if I were to double all 3 of these sides and get a 6, 8, 10 triangle, that is also a triple. You won't see it over here because it is just a multiple of this. Or if you tripled all the sides and made a 9, 12, 15 triangle. Or if you did 10 times each side and made a 30, 40, 50 triangle. Those are all triples. It's just they couldn't list all those because it would take absolutely forever for them to do it. You'd never do it. Okay? So when you see something like this, you know, if you saw a triangle that was 21 by 28 by 35, and it asked you if that was a right triangle, I guess I don't have that thing there. Okay, you look over here and you see that there's not a 21, 28, 35, but what you have to check is it a multiple of another triple, a smaller one? To which you look at these 3 numbers and say, can I divide all of those by a same, do they have a common factor that I could reduce them all by? In which case it would be 7. If I divide them all by 7, this becomes a 3. Divide this by 7, this becomes a 4. Divide that by 7, this becomes a 5. And yes, the proportions are a 3, 4, 5 triangle. It's just 7 times bigger than a 3, 4, 5 triangle. So it gets a little goofy, and they won't give you a lot of that now, but you kind of have to be aware that that's going to be something that could happen. Jacob?
On the
Pythagorean triples.
Yeah. Why does it say medium and short?
Well, I just want you to know that the hypotenuse is always the longest. You got a short side, a medium side. And it doesn't matter, like I said, when you put it in the formula, it doesn't matter, but it says the shortest side is going to be 3, and the medium side is going to be 4, and the longest side is going to be the hypotenuse. Christine?
So does it matter what order we're in?
These 2 don't matter.
Okay.
You could call it 6316, but they'll, just for reference sake, they'll always put the shortest one first so you can see it quicker. I mean, if your shorter one is, the shortest one you have is a 9, you'd look at this and say, oh, 9, 40, 41, if you have a 9, 40, 41. Let me see if I've got my triples back here somewhere. But the Pythagorean triples, you do want to put this in your reference section because it will come up. It comes up quite a bit. Super high level math. Of course, desks were nice and didn't have round corners, but I had to be true that the desks, but they do have round corners, so it's kind of hard to get. Some of this, I'll see fine, but let's see here. Take a look at this sheet here. Oh wait, sorry, I have to give you the sheet first. What? Did I not give you one? This is definitely not very useful. This is work. Wait. Yeah. Let's look here. Just look at the back side. Just let's look at some of the possible uses here for. Everybody get one?
No, please.
It's gotta be because you're right dead smack in the middle. Walking on the outside.
No.
Look at problems 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20 for me. Let's just talk about this for just a sec.